In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add space in ElevenLabs, a task you can accomplish in just 5 minutes. First, we need to get started by opening up your preferred web browser. Whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser of your choice, just ensure it's up to date for optimal performance. Once your browser is open, navigate to the ElevenLabs website. The next step is to log into your account. If you haven't created an account yet, you should see an option to register. For existing users, simply enter your login credentials and you'll be ready to go. After logging in, locate the text-to-speech feature within the platform. This tool is central to creating your voiceovers and adding spaces. When setting up your project, it's important to select the correct voice design. For creating expressive and dynamic audio, make sure you're using the 11v3 voice design. This option offers a range of expressive voices that make your output more engaging and natural sounding. To create a pause or space between words in your generated speech, you'll use dashes or ellipses. Inserting a single dash or a set of ellipses, that's 3 dots, between words will introduce a short pause. For longer pauses, you can add more dashes in sequence. This is a simple yet effective technique to control the pacing of your narration, making it sound more deliberate and spaced out according to your needs. After you've set up your text with the intended spaces, it's time to bring it to life. Use the Generate Speech feature to produce the audio. This process is usually quick, but it might take a bit longer depending on the length and complexity of your text. Once the synthesis is complete, listen to the output and see if it meets your expectations. If you're satisfied with the voice generated for your message, you'll want to save it for future use. You can do this by clicking on either the Share or Download button. Sharing allows you to publish your work directly on platforms or send it to others, while downloading saves the file to your device for later use. It's a straightforward process that will leave you with a polished final product. That's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can easily add spaces in ElevenLabs to control the pace and enhance the impact of your text-to-speech projects. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.